Welcome to today's tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to use laws of logarithms to combine expressions into a single log. So it's a very simple question, and I don't think this is something that we're going to spend a lot of time on. Alright, so let's quickly see what we can do, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel in case you have not yet subscribed to the channel, and click the notification button so that you don't miss the videos that I'm going to be posting. And in case you have any questions or you want to join the online sessions that I always have with students and with students in Zambia and abroad outside Zambia, make sure that you contact me on any of these lines, and then we'll see how best we can help each other, and then we'll proceed from there. So the question is, we use the laws of logarithms to combine each expression into a single logarithm. Alright, so the first question that we have here is 3 log x, then plus 1 over 2 log x plus 1. Yeah, so this is a very simple and straightforward question. So the first thing that you do is you take these coefficients to become powers of the functions there. So we have log x to the power, this 3 becomes the power there, x to the power 3. Then we have plus, this half will also become the power of what is in the brackets there. So we have log x plus 1 to the power half. So we know to say if a is raised to the power half, this is just the same as the square root of what? A. So log x to the power 3, this is okay, this is okay, and then this one is also okay. So what we can do to simplify this further, we can now consider the rules of logs. So when you're adding two logarithms, it means that you are going to multiply the functions, but of course those logarithms are supposed to have the same base. So in this case we have the same base on the first term and on the second term, and this base is simply base 10, because the logarithms do not have any base here. It means that they are in base 10. So we can multiply the functions. We have x to the power 3 times what we have there. So we have log x to the power 3, then this part here, like I said, it's just the same as, okay, just this part alone here can also be written as log square root of x plus 1. Yes, because of this half there. I said anything raised to the power half is just the same as the square root of that thing. So this part is what I'm going to write there. So this has been simplified to a single logarithm, and it's in base 10. I don't know if you have any questions. Feel free to contact me on any of these lines on the screen. Alright, so let's quickly move on to the second part of the question. So these are very simple questions, like I said. So we have 3 ln s plus half ln t minus 4 ln t squared plus 1. So this is also a very simple question. We do a first thing that I mentioned in the previous question, where you take the coefficients to become powers of the function. So we have ln s to the power 3, then we have plus, and then this half becomes the power of t. So we have ln t to the power half, and then we say minus, this 4 becomes the power of this function. There we have ln t squared plus 1 to the power 4. So when you are adding two functions, it means that you are multiplying according to the rules of logarithms. You are multiplying, if you are adding two logarithms, whether it's ln or log, they are still logarithms. They are still they are still the same. Yeah, so ln is just a special logarithm with a base e. So if we say log, if we say ln 5, so ln 5 is simply just log 5 base e. So ln, if I say ln A is simply just the same as log a base e. So ln is simply just a special logarithm with the base e. That's the reason why when we say ln e is equal to 1, why is it equal to 1? So ln e is simply just the same as log e with the base e. And remember this this property of log, this is equal to 1. That's why we say ln e is equal to 1. I guess you get the point. Alright, so let's quickly simplify this further. So we have managed to take these to become powers. So now how do we simplify this further? Remember, while there is addition, we multiply the function. So we have s to the power 3 times t to the power half. So t to the power half can also be written as the square root of t. So we have s to the power 3 times the square root of t. Then while there is minus, we are okay, let me do this. Okay, to make our work easy, so I'm going to say ln, we have s to the power 3 and then the square root of what? T. Yeah, so we say minus, there's a minus there, then we have ln t squared plus 1 to the power 4. So since there's a minus there, it means that we are dividing the function. So we have ln s to the power 3 t, root of t, and everything over t squared plus 1, and of course to the power 4. So this is the simplest version of, sorry for that. Yeah, so this is the simplest version of this question. Yeah, it can't be simplified further than that. Alright, okay. Alright, thank you very much for watching today's tutorial. If you have any questions, like I said, feel free to contact me on any of these lines on the screen. If you want to join the extra lessons that I'm conducting and the ones that I'm going to be conducting during the holiday, feel free to contact me and tell me so that I add you to the group where everyone is going to be, and everyone is going to be getting information and updates for the extra lessons we're going to be having during the holiday. Yeah, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscription button and hit the notification button so that you don't miss the videos that I'll be posting. See you in the next tutorial video. Shalom, shalom.